Cuban on my neck, look like my ops when they be linking up.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas around me, right?
What's up, $1,000,000 babes? Good morning. It is Friday. It's your girl fit for today. Just some sweatpants y'all I got from Roses. I think they were like $8, y'all. This tank top is from Rainbow. My shades I got from Lenox Mall. The lady in the mall sell these. Yeah, and that's pretty much what I have on. Cuban on my neck, look like my ops when they be linking up. But yeah, Bae's over there asleep. He just got off from work, so I'm about to go to TSA pre-check, y'all, so I can do my fingerprinting and stuff. And yeah, and I'm gonna bring y'all along. Then I have to go to the nail shop, switch out these nails and these toes. But yeah, this is the fit for today. And I just have my black Chanel bag and I'm rocking. I gotta go by UPS, return this package, turn this package into Amazon. I ordered a Cuban for my anklet, y'all, my ankle, and it was too small, so yeah, I gotta send that back. The gold one actually fit, and both of them are the same damn size, so I don't know what they did, but yeah, that is just what I am rocking today. So yeah, come along. I like my little cute little purse holder I got right now. Plus it was blinged out also, but yeah, it's so cute while I'm on the bag. I'm
headed for nothing, no turning to something from nothing, yeah. Made it through property, on our minority, you never start. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah. Straight out of the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah.
My boo just got up. She said she just got up. They staying at their grandma's house, y'all, so we're kid free this weekend. I need to call and talk to them. This address I need to go to. This must be it here. It better be shit. Try me 100 times. Wanted me to die, wanted me to lie, wanted me to cry. Did y'all get the Lil Baby album just came out today? I just listened to the whole damn album while I worked out. It sounds so good. So you don't gotta skip it. This better be the place I need to go. We done got there to be a damn waste. So I'm about to put that Lil Baby on and I'm gonna ride and I will check in with y'all later. Bye. So y'all, the signs say look for this thing here. So yeah. Oh, the van is over here. So I guess is they here? Guess that's them right there, y'all. So yeah. About to go and see if they open. Say open. So yeah, we're gonna see. And I'll be back. What's up, $1,000,000 babe? So your girl is done. Now it only took, I would say, about maybe 10-15 minutes. It was quick. I'm glad they got mobile sites, y'all, because when I first moved to Atlanta back in like 2006, I was working at the Delta airline, and basically we used to do TSA pre-check and all that. We do the fingerprinting and stuff like that too, so I knew the process. But yeah, it was quick, didn't take long. They got mobile sites now, so yeah, that's real easy and convenient because you ain't got to drive way to the airport. So yeah, should be, they just gonna do my background check, and then I should get my number and everything in the mail and my email. Yeah. And yeah, you just add it to your little profile that you have online when you make your reservations for your flights, and yeah, and you're good to go. You ain't got to take your shoes off. You don't have to do none of that. So yeah, you don't gotta get your carry-on checked. Yeah, so you'll be good, and I don't have to wait in them long ass lines. So yeah, that's pretty much that, and I'll check in with y'all later. Got what am I wearing? This is my little haul I gotta film, y'all. Shein. I have another package coming from Shein. Also, it's coming Monday, so I'm trying to wait to get all my stuff. My 2 bags. So cute. Let me see what I'm gonna wear. Right. And I got that bag, y'all, to go with these little slides. I think they would be so cute together. Think. Yeah, I brought these and they are too fucking small. I cannot wear them. Sucks. They are so cute though. Lipstick. Got my music playing, y'all. That's Alexa playing back there. So yeah, I'm not gonna get copyrighted, but I'm gonna do his face, y'all, and I'll check in with y'all when I come back. What's up, $1 Million Babes? I just came back to check in with y'all. I was actually about to walk out the house, but I was like, I told him I was gonna come back once I get stressed. So I wanted to come and show y'all my little fits that I had on. I got on my pink pants from, I want to say Shein, I think. I ordered these like last year sometime. And this shirt is from Shein. I was going to do the tour and show y'all, I mean, the outfits that I got from them. But I'm wearing my shirt. Yeah. And then I just have on my shoes from, I think, Rainbow. I have no clue. I had them for years and years and years. So, yeah. But, yeah. I will have this link to this wig down below. So, yeah. I just wanted to come here and show y'all my fits for today. I got my, show y'all. Got my black Chanel bag. Yeah, and I'm about to go because Bae is outside waiting. So yeah, I just want to come in and show you. I'm going to vlog off my phone because I don't want to take my camera, y'all, because we're going to the movies later and then out to eat. So yeah, we're about to find out what we're about to go eat, and I'll check in with y'all later. Bye. We're on the way. Where we going? I'm about to know we go.
To the aquarium?
Sequest. So yeah, it's at the mall, yeah, but yeah, so I could do some shopping too, yeah. But yes. Yes, he sleep already. No, he's sleeping. Jude, what's wrong, man? Huh? He's so sleepy, y'all. But yeah, we'll check back in with y'all later.
You don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you the dog, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that get boss like the Baba Fryo. Don't cry, yo.
So we are in, what is it called? Lisa? Oh. Yeah, but I got these little cute rings. They're so cute. They're on $1.99 and these little heads are different. That's cute, y'all. It's cute. Let me get this too. I know. They got a silver pair too. Oh, what are these? The hairpin, they go on your hair. But these are cute, ain't it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Little things right there. See, here go the little hoops. I mean, you don't like the little ones?
Oh, man. I think the little one will be okay. Look, can I get you?
Tuda, please go sit down somewhere. She thinks she's supposed to be the older sister wearing the most stuff and heels. That's the thing.
I don't want
These are cute, though.
No, these two.
Mm-hmm. You don't like the butterflies?
Oh, no.
Those are butterflies. Them are pearls. Them are cute. This is a big ass stove. Big ass house stove. God, they all be here all damn day.
Mom.
Right there. Oh, and they got clothes in here, child. I gotta go find Sephora before they close.
Mama, look at these.
No, you're not getting no purse. No more. Y'all got 30 of them things at the house. These are cute now. I'd be so sick of you. Excuse me, you don't like these? Little bags right here.
Yes.
Well, they got my little 2-piece sets. Because I love these, baby, to throw on and go. Cute. Come on, let's get this stuff. Let's go. But they got some cute stuff in here, though.
Mama, you know what?
That's nuts, Lily.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart try to phone. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't.
Now I got these green Fendi shades for Jamaica. Yeah, they are so cute. And then I got me a cute brown pair. Well, it's like red. That's the goat what I got on. Yeah, they are so cute. Just some everyday shades. So yeah. Alright, so we just left Starbucks. And this is definitely a go. Y'all got it off of Instagram. White mocha, pumpkin caramel, pumpkin cold foam, and extra caramel drizzle and ice. So yeah, it is so good, y'all. Must try. The kids said it was creamy, so yeah. Check out later. Yeah, remember that? Make it scream, child. Right now, need your boyfriend, need your husband, just somebody you can call when your body needs a place. What's up, $1 Million Babes? I should have brought y'all with us, but who's rushing? Anyway, we just got home, y'all. I was looking for a Starbucks tumbler, but I found this one in Walmart, y'all. They didn't have the Starbucks on the bed. It's so cute. It's cuter in person than on this camera because it's like shiny, like an iridescent color. Might have maybe some more tomato and cucumber salad. And then we just went to Walmart and found this little tree because we left our tree back at our old house in the garage. So yeah. To mellow mushroom too, y'all. I don't think I would go back to that location good, but the customer service was good. We got some pizza and some wings. We sat down and ate outside on the patio, y'all. And then they don't. Now he don't be doing this for real.
She love me.
He just want to do it for the camera.
Put the camera off and let's see.
And, no, he always like this for real though. Now y'all, he ain't cried today. He walked there like a big boy and all.
Why? So he cried other days?
He been crying every other day. That was the day he didn't cry. He went in the last time. He cried a little bit, didn't it?
You can't be telling all.
We're gonna put it in front of the window right here.
Why you can't tell all the business?
What business? You ain't got no business either. He ain't got no business. Jude, what are you doing? That's for a woman.
That's mine.
Callie, say hey, girl. Say hey, Jude. Can't even see it with it, but now you can see it. There it goes. Focus. We got to get that little skirt to go up on. I got one. I left it though. I'm trying to think if I left us in the garage probably. We got to go through and get our Christmas decorations in the garage somewhere.
Oh. I think the days are going to print out it's back here.
Okay.
It's right there. Back there. The first one. Oh.
But go ahead on, y'all. I will check in with y'all later. We about to get in the bed, baby. And I may come back. I may not. Otherwise, I'll check back in with y'all later.